So I break my leg yesterday playing basketball, and I got this attention-seeking goofy right here pretending he feels my pain, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Get up, bro. You a clown, gang.
Yeah, meet the new generation of Ninja Turtles. I'm finna train them better than Master Split. Okay, guys, I only need 4. Only 4! Yo, stop! Stop! Hey, it's your lucky day, twin. Yes, sir. Sight nice and...
Oh, hey, Coco, what up, man? I was just finna come back out, bro. I came here to get a glass of water and tripped onto the bed, bro. It's crazy out here. For real, though. What's up with you, bro? Remember on your birthday I got you a birthday cake? Coco, please, bro. No! No!
This is for a whole pound of candy. I'm barely even trying. Is that all you got, boy? You're a monster. That's tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy. The hell wrong with you? Hey!
Thank you.
Sorry.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh my god, me.
Right.
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
Who did this?
Who done this?
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
Who did... Huh?
Okay. Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop?
Who did this? Who did this? What's this? What is that?
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me you're enough. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.